Hello. I thought I'd do you a quick video because looking at your plan, one thing I did notice were these walls right here. They're um, some kind of a pony wall, but the inside surfaces don't align, and I just don't know. I don't think that would be correct. Um, so the outside surfaces don't align very well either. Windows are kind of weird the way they go in there. And so what I suggest you do is look at this wall and design a wall similarly underneath it. So overall 15 and 9/16. I don't know if that's what you want, but what I would do here is just copy this and make it something like siding 6 under PMB wall. I'm just giving it a name. I don't know why you have this 3-inch layer here. I would delete that. I got to look at this other wall first so I can see what you've done. 3, 1, 0, 7/16, 10, 5/8. So this wall should probably be 10. This should be 5/8. You need an air gap right here. So it just changed this to opening, no material. And then you need to, oh, one more thing. This needs to be 3. Or let's see, to get it to line up, 3.5. Yeah, something's still off. Oh. 3.5, 1, 0, 7/16. 3.5, 1. There you go. So now they line up. I don't know if that's what you want, but you see my point there. And that should fix a lot of your problems because I think a lot of these walls are the same. So you might look at that and fix these because you could just open this now and do the same thing. Or these are all, I think, wrong. So you can open them and just put the new wall under it and it'll line up. So there you go. Hope that helps.